Imagine traveling at the speed of light, and it would still take you thousands of years to cross just this one galaxy. Every glowing dot you see isn't just a star, it's a sun. And around it, worlds like ours may be orbiting right now. This is where stars are born. Inside fiery nebulae, dust and gas collapse to ignite lights that will shine for millions of years. But here, stars also die. Supernovas explode with such power that they forge new elements, and maybe even life itself. When we look deep into the universe, we're actually looking into the past. Every light you see has traveled for millions of years to reach us. When a giant star nears the end of its life, it begins to unravel. Its outer layers drift into space, creating cosmic clouds of fire and dust. On the surface of a living star, eruptions of plasma burst outward, solar flares, releasing more energy in minutes than humanity has used in its entire history. These storms ripple across space, shaping planetary atmospheres and sending shockwaves through entire solar systems. But nothing compares to the hunger of a black hole, devouring whole stars, warping space itself, and leaving only darkness behind. At its heart lies the event horizon, a point of no return, where even light vanishes forever. Some black holes unleash titanic jets of energy, beams so powerful they can stretch across entire galaxies. These cosmic cannons fire with unimaginable force, accelerating matter close to the speed of light. Yet even in the shadow of destruction, stars shine on, and around them, new worlds are born, waiting for their own stories to unfold. But creation is never gentle. Planets collide, worlds shatter, and chaos reigns before order emerges. Out of fire and fracture, new landscapes take shape, reminders that every world begins in violence. Worlds are reshaped from within. Beneath their crust, molten rivers tear the surface open, rewriting the face of a planet. Some worlds grow rings, vast halos of rock and ice, sculpted by gravity into cosmic jewelry. These rings are not solid, but countless fragments, colliding, grinding, and drifting in eternal orbit. Elsewhere, entire planets freeze solid, icy giants locked in perpetual winter, orbiting far from the warmth of any star. To stand here would be to witness silence itself. A dead world wrapped in an endless shroud of ice. A frozen silence stretches endlessly, beneath skies painted by ghostly auroras. A world locked in eternal winter, where only the stars bear witness. But fire never sleeps. Across another world, molten rivers carve the surface, igniting the darkness with their unrelenting fury. Here, life has no place, only fire and stone. The land breathes in molten rhythms, pulsing with the heartbeat of a planet reborn. Yet among the chaos, there are havens of beauty. A living world, veined with rivers, forests, and endless seas of gold and green. Its surface flourishes in harmony. Vibrant lands stretch across the horizon, a sanctuary in the vast, silent void. Rivers weave like living veins across the land, carrying life through a vast ocean of green and gold. Beyond, a giant adorned with rings turns slowly in the light, an eternal sentinel of the stars. Worlds of contrast emerge, mountains crowned in snow, deserts scorched in rust and fire, bound together beneath the same sky. A frozen sphere drifts in silence, its surface glimmering like shattered glass, cold, distant, and unyielding. Beneath its armor of ice, secrets lie buried, waiting for the warmth of a distant sun that may never come. Across frozen plains, crystal spires rise in silence, a cathedral of ice untouched for eons. Elsewhere, a planet bleeds with fire. Rivers of molten stone carve their mark, branding a world of endless unrest. From orbit, its veins blaze like lightning frozen in rock. fiery scars that tell the story of creation and destruction. Up close, liquid fire surges and twists, alive as any ocean, burning, consuming, reshaping all it touches. And far beyond, galaxies bloom in radiant spirals, each a cradle of countless worlds, each a spark in the endless night.